Hi, I'm Dr. Pamela Moss, your soul guide and up-level alchemist. I'm the creator of the Soul Guide Vision Board Workshop, and I'm inviting you to get clear for the new year. What if you could cut through all the clutter and confusion and overwhelm with a laser focus on what you want to create in 2023? How much time and energy and money would you free up? How much less stressed and more joyful would you feel? Well, your soul guide vision board will do all that and much more. If you look down this page, you'll see. This is a vision board like none other. The truth is, most vision boards don't work. They're just collections of pretty pictures, not magical tools for manifestation, as your soul guide vision board will be. Your soul guide vision board is completely different. It helps you tap into your own deep knowing for the clarity that you need. And then your subconscious mind picks the pictures. So they're much more powerful and resonant than anything you would consciously pick out. They really, literally are showing you what you need to do and who you need to be to create all that you desire. I've taught the Soul Guide Vision Board Workshop to thousands of people around the world over the past 22 years, but I've never taught it in Binghamton. And that's why I am super excited that we're doing it live and in person in Binghamton at the iconic Hole in the Wall restaurant. Space is quite limited though, so I strongly encourage you to reserve your spot now because we will sell out. Love to see you there.